Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Another Love on clarinet. Start by assembling your clarinet, ensuring the joints are secure and keys move freely. Gently attach your reed to the mouthpiece using the ligature, making sure it's centered. A reed strength of 2.5 or 3 is a good starting point. Finally, tune your clarinet to a 440 Hz. This foundational setup is crucial for a clear and resonant sound. Another Love is predominantly in the key of E minor, which means you'll encounter F sharp and C sharp regularly. The iconic opening phrase begins with a low E, then moves to F sharp, and then G. Focus on smooth transitions between these notes. Practice these initial 3 notes slowly, ensuring each note is clear and in tune before increasing your tempo. This careful approach builds a strong foundation for the entire piece. The melody of Another Love requires a beautiful legato touch. Strive for a smooth, connected sound by using a very gentle tongue, almost as if you're not tonguing at all. Focus on the long, flowing phrases, especially in the chorus. When you encounter the arpeggiated sections, ensure your fingers move evenly and lightly to maintain clarity and precision. This attention to articulation will bring out the song's emotional depth. To truly capture the essence of Another Love, pay close attention to the dynamic markings. The piece features a wide range, from soft piano sections to powerful 4/8 moments. Experiment with subtle vibrato on longer notes to add emotional depth, but use it judiciously. Finally, practice playing along with a backing track. This helps you develop precise rhythmic accuracy and allows you to blend your sound within the song's overall texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.